Hi, my name is Allison Davis and I'm a partner here at Davis & Ferber. I decided that I wanted to become an attorney when I was in college, and I took a business law class, and I thought it was very fascinating and interesting, and that's what just got me started. I started my career in the Brooklyn DA's office. I decided to get involved with the general practice at Davis & Ferber because I really felt it was important to try to give something to the people, and I feel like a connection. I feel like I want to help people. I'm a people person, and I want to be able to help them with their everyday needs. So a lot of what I do is helping people with their everyday things. You don't have to be hurt to come to see me. But people get divorced. People have, family court issues. People buy and sell homes. People need to do wills. They need to probate estates. Those are all the kinds of things that I do, and I try to help people and make processes a lot easier. Going to family court is scary. Any kind of court is a very scary thing, especially when it has to do with your children and your spouse and your assets and not knowing where you're going to be and what's going to happen to your family. I have a family, I understand, I relate, and I really try to make it easy. It's not easy, but I try to make it easier and use my experience and my expertise to help you get through, what could be a very difficult process. I have started recently, in recent years, mediation has become a very strong thing. I highly recommend mediation for the people that think that's something that can work for them. Mediation takes two parties that are willing to work together to try to resolve their issues in a more amicable fashion, but we get creative. We can do all sorts of things when we're doing mediation that you can't necessarily do when you're in litigation and you're in court. I use my litigation background from when I was in the DA's office, being in court all the time. I use that in order to go to court and do my divorce litigation. So, very happy to go ahead if that's the way that you want to proceed. I am very interested in children and making sure that the children are not hurt by anything that happens in this situation. And I think that it benefits both parties, whether it be the husband or the wife. But to help people with their other everyday needs is also very important. I do real estate. We have a thriving real estate practice here where we help people with everything from, purchasing homes, selling homes. We do some commercial real estate where we're helping people, understand what their mortgage commitments are, looking at surveys, making sure that when they buy a house, that house is going to be with no title defects, and when they go to sell it in 20, 30 years, they're not going to have a problem. That's our job here. We also help people with estate matters. When people have a death in the family, they don't know what to do. People don't know where to go. So we're where you go. We're the people that you come to. We know what to do, what has to get filed with the courts, how to help you collect your assets, distribute your assets, and do those things. And starting back and backing up even before that, we help people with doing their estate planning, drafting wills, healthcare proxies, powers of attorney, all those kinds of things. So that's what I enjoy. I enjoy talking with people, working with people, trying to help them with their everyday lives, things that come up in your life that you need an attorney, because without somebody to direct you and tell you how to do, it gets very confusing and overwhelming. My name is Allison Davis. I'm a partner here at Davis & Ferber, and I look forward to meeting you soon.